impressive move on the high side. And up to second, here comes Steckley. Sheridan in third, and it's Bruno in fourth. The pole sitter Schrank rounding out the top 5, and Sheridan looks racy in the 52.
Well, we're here at Delaware Speedway. They have told us that the night was unscheduled, so we are here. We were trying to get out for practice, but we are under a slight rain delay. It's kind of hard to see because there's sun over there, but it's definitely raining.
Yeah, you saw him. He's like, oh, I saw that. I want to be a car.
Where's the rainbow?
I don't see one yet. This is definitely weird that it is blue skies but rain. Oh look, Joe's waving at us.
Should be a TikTok with him moving the camper.
Dane, what do you think of the rain delay? Well, what?
Rain go away, come back some other day, right, Joe?
Car felt pretty good.
Yeah, felt pretty good. The rain, real slick.
Where's the rainbow? Oh God! Almost got hit.
Right down Joe's back.
I wouldn't change that yet.
Hello.
So Joe, you charged Jake for $40, right? $10 delivery charge.
Yeah. Don't rush any.
Alright, the rain has stopped. Dane has the car warmed up and we're going to go out for practice.
Not much.
Qualified P4. I think I'm the only car in the top 5 that didn't go in on stickers. So pretty happy with that redemption effort. Now we gotta make it count in the race.
Heck yeah.
How'd it look to you, Miss Haley?
It looks really good.
Oh, Lucas!
What are you doing?
She's full of fuel. We're ready to go.
Wait.
Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go short track racing, boys and girls.
Put any more fuel in it.
How was your race?
Hey,
Qualifying was good.
just put 300.
Gotta make it better for the feature.
board looking for green. Late models for 70 at the half mile. Green flag at Delaware. What a great shot that was. Field rumbles through 1 and 2. Schrank side by side with Chapman in the field. Roars down the back. And there's a problem with the Chapman machine. 13's off the pace. 13 will dive down in the pit.
Well, we've made it home after a late night. Let's Dayton, how'd it go?
Well, what do you think, Davey boy?
There you go.
It was smoky. It went good.
The rain delayed us a lot. We didn't get any practice and We went over the car from our test session Monday. We found out we had a couple things wrong. So we were really hoping for some practice to get the car dialed back in with the changes we made. And Mother Nature said not today. So what Delaware ended up doing is we ended up not having an autograph session. They were trying to get the show in and beat the rain so we could put at least something on for the fans. So we didn't do an autograph session or anything. They did. We had one 5-minute practice session, and that practice session was our qualifying. So I believe, I could be wrong, but the top 7 cars all went out stickers except for us, and we qualified P4, and I was on older tires. So we're pretty happy with that package. Cam's just sniffing all the racetrack feats.
He's got to inspect his trailer when he gets home.
So with the invert, we rolled off P2 for the feature. Puppy dog. And found out, good thing I was testing the high side all during the first couple practice sessions. We made it work and jumped out to the lead early. Got out and just kind of started biding my time, just rolling and not pushing the car. Saved we had 70 laps. About 10 laps into the run, car finally started coming with temperature, so I turned my rad fan on, and then the car started to sputter a bit. I thought that was weird. And I think it was like coming out of the corner on middle of 3 and 4 on lap 12. Great big ball of fire, and all this smoke came out, and turns out our rad fan, I must have overlooked it from the wreck, and the wire got pinched up against the frame rail, so when I turned it on, it shorted out and melted all the wiring in the car and killed us and killed our chance. We were had a strong piece, and I think we had a contender to win. So we're going to get it unloaded, and we'll show you guys the carnage from the fire and go from there. So upon inspection, we got the car in the daylight. There's some of the carnage. It's got melted wires all the way up. And then when it melted, the wiring got so hot, it melted out of the zip tie and then fell in the header, and none of the sheathing left. That's all exposed copper, which is less than ideal. A little burnt spot on my powder coat. I thought it was the rad fan, but we got home, and what did Lucas find?
The yellow wire went.
Here, let me get you in down there.
It's supposed to go that way.
Yeah.
It went under the rad.
Got pinched under the rad, and the rad mount shorted to ground, and
We had a short race.
just lit the lit the wiring right up, and
Jack
it
stand
ended
by.
our night.
So one short could cause a short night.
Yeah, so what ended up happening is when the car got in the wreck last race, the whole front end was shifted over to the driver's side about 4 inches, and the rad was picked up out of it. So we overlooked, I overlooked when I put the rad back in and put the rad right back on the wire, so it's no one's fault but my own for overlooking. I screwed myself out of a possible race win. So we'll get it fixed up, and we'll be back out for June 3rd at Delaware Speedway. And so we'll get this video edited up, and we'll get it up at the beginning of this week. Thanks for watching. And Lucas, what do you always say? Where'd he go?
Yeah, we're being the Jack stand boy.
Oh,
We rehired him.
Jack Stand Boy being a Jack Stand Boy. What do you say, buddy?
Like, comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe. It really helps get our videos out there. Thanks, and have a great night.